As someone who has worked with numerous senior patients, I want to share the most important advice about managing incontinence. It's a common issue that can affect anyone and often leads to feelings of embarrassment or isolation. However, it's important to know that you're not alone, and many effective strategies exist to help manage this condition. Addressing incontinence not only improves physical comfort, but also enhances emotional well-being. Today, we'll explore practical solutions, helping you lead a more confident and fulfilling life. Understanding what incontinence is and how it affects the body can be empowering. Incontinence is the involuntary leakage of urine, which can occur for various reasons such as weakened pelvic muscles or nerve damage. Think of your bladder as a balloon that fills with water, but when the control system falters, leaks occur. It's important to demystify incontinence and approach it as a manageable health condition. Knowledge is your first step towards taking control. Recognizing the signs of incontinence is vital for timely management. Typical symptoms include frequent urges to urinate, leakage during activities like coughing or sneezing, and waking up multiple times at night to urinate. If you're experiencing any of these, it's worth discussing them with a healthcare provider. Being in tune with your body and understanding these symptoms can help you seek the support you need without delay. Nutrition plays a crucial role in managing incontinence. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fiber and stay hydrated, but be mindful of bladder irritants such as caffeine, alcohol, and spicy foods. As seniors, light meals that include whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can support overall bladder health. Drinking smaller amounts more frequently can also prevent bladder overload. Healthy eating habits are foundational to managing incontinence effectively. Movement is medicine, and gentle exercises can strengthen the muscles that help control urination. Pelvic floor exercises, also known as kedgels, can improve bladder control. Starting slowly with exercises you can do from a chair or while lying down ensures safety and builds strength over time. Exercise not only aids physical health, but boosts mood and confidence as well. Let's explore the types of movements that can make a difference. Regular medical monitoring helps manage incontinence better. Routine checkups provide an opportunity to discuss any changes and work with healthcare professionals who can offer tailored advice and treatments. Understanding when to seek immediate medical attention is crucial if symptoms suddenly change or worsen. Building a relationship with your healthcare team ensures that you receive the continuous care you deserve. It's important to acknowledge the impact of incontinence on mental health and social life. Fear of leaks can limit interactions and activities, but maintaining a positive mindset is essential. Engage in social activities that bring joy and connect with support groups where you can share experiences. Seeking counseling can also provide emotional support. Remember, a healthy body and mind go hand in hand. Let's recap the journey we've taken towards empowering you to manage incontinence. By understanding your body, recognizing symptoms, eating a balanced diet, staying active, consulting with your healthcare team, and nurturing your mental health, you are well on your way to improved wellness. Take small, realistic steps and trust in your ability to make meaningful changes. Your dedication to self-care will undoubtedly lead to a more confident, joyous life.